Yep.
Yeah.
That was like it was an elaborate like pet simulator, but it lived on the memory card, and the memory card had an LCD screen.
Oh wow!
So you'd have to take the memory card and carry it around with you and play with it.
Because that was really what was missing from video games. Was like
Carrying it,
like
the responsibility.
having to maintain it.
Yeah,
The
it was
whole
really,
time.
it was a really weird game.
That's cool.
It was like a tadpole and it grew into like a weird frog with Boris Yeltsin's face.
They
What?
had this Tamagotchi that had to like you had to get a job to support, and then like you had to go through your whole life like until you retire, and then you can retire with it. But that's when you take it to Florida, and they're not happy unless you do that. It's a whole thing.
GPS,
Obviously.
everybody would be there. They'd just be playing the drums for like days.
Right.
Everybody's taking mushrooms.
Yeah.
It was a good party for everybody but that guy. But even so, I'm like,
worth it.
I'm kind of imagining like, what if I was that big? It'd be cool to have a channel where you're just trying on every pair of shoes.
Everything.
Yeah, just trying to work your way.
That's the name of it. Everything.
Nice.
Every pair is
That's sick. That was a nice. Oh, that was some tech. There you go. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Nice.
Chicken finger, dude.
That's so weird.
Tech spine saw close.
It's a half chicken leg.
Oh man, that's nice. Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, nice. You're natural. Yeah. Just do some weird stuff with it.
All the girls online were so good.
Yeah, that was perfect.
They're gonna
fan
pick
right
on you
there.
in gym class when we're doing the next.
I know.
Nah, man, that's perfect, man.
Get off the mat.
When we do square dancing with knives.
Yeah, it looks cool on camera too, man. Nice.
Whoa, maybe
This
we're
rules. Everybody's gonna break stuff.
away from the glass.
Yeah, yeah. Except for left hands, man.
The more you get stressed out about it, the more you're like, another one there for right now.
So all these balisongs.
Yeah, before I quit. Yeah, I don't think that ever works.
You should try these out. Oh man, these like nice. Try all these out, man. They're all tuned up for you. You ever mess with the models?
Man.
Whoa.
We're almost done. That was pretty much it. And the worst part is trying to reverse it. That's where I have to work. I mean, I do think through it.
Reverse.
You seem like a reverse fan kind of. I didn't want to say anything.
A reverse fan. It's cool. Whoa, you're flying with that one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Fans in the sky. Reverse is hard for me. I feel like I have to work on it.
That's cool. It looks cool.
Yeah. I love the way this feels.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is the texture I want. You did.
You didn't get. You got the toe?
Yeah, you got the toe.
That's 1
That's
point.
my fault for having toes out. This is definitely a closed-toed party, so.
Oh my god.
This is a major shift. I'm very anti-toe, and I'm very anti-sandal.
Yeah, what? I was curious. Oh, yeah, yeah.
This is I like Georgia Heat. Because it really got.
I was curious to see you. It looks very Egyptian, though, man. Let me get some shots, man. Oh, I'm still filming. I thought I had turned it off. I can edit this stuff. Nice. They're all clones, pretty much. Yeah, go over the carpet with that one. Oh, fuck it, it's tied. Or I shouldn't say that. It's too nice, isn't it? Yeah, that's a clone of like a really expensive Squid Industries sumo. Nice. Mako's sick, dude. Nice.
Ah. Enough with dust.
Whoa. Oh, dang. Whoa.
Alright, away from the pins.
Yeah, I almost stepped on those things, man. Yeah, I think we need like some space.
We need some space.
Yeah. That Mako's rad.
Yeah.
And then if I give it a flipperoo.
I don't mind it at all.
How's the tap in it now? Little lift.
Got a little bit. I loosened it up by throwing it.
True. It's just lift. It's good. It's got no tap. This is like, how old is this?
That's from, I don't know. When was that? I don't know.
Like 2 years ago? Not that long? 3?
It's way more than that.
3?
I feel like it's like 5 years ago.
Nah, dude. There's no way. No, because I've been following people on YouTube for like 3 years. It's only been like 3 years. Yeah.
The thing is, I remember when you said you'd only been flipping for a year. You had definitely been flipping for 2.
Yeah, I've been flipping for a while.
Yeah. You've been flipping since Providence.
Yeah. Yeah. They had those goats because of goats where they shouldn't be. Yeah.
I love that, man. And you couldn't stop talking about it.
Exactly. Uh-oh. We got a slow dangle over here.
Where there shouldn't be.
We got a dangler.
Low land Greensboro.
Oh, dang. That was one. You can have fun with the G10. I don't think people are going to understand how tough this is. Probably not. I mean, dangling like that. Cool.
Peen nose in there?
Yeah. Peen nose, that's the silencer. Nice. It matches your clothes, man. It's tough. Don't hang it down that low.
It's just in the pocket.
Oh, I got you. That's tough. Red and black.
Whoa. Ready? Stop around. Do it!
No, you got it.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
I didn't even get that. You're so quick, man. Yeah, cool. Nice. The low lighting is perfect for this type of like spinning and flipping and stuff. Yeah. Nice. Whoa.
Stop being so positive about it.
That it sucks. Oh my gosh.
So fast.
Whoa.
Palm
It's closed.
flat.
Let's do a quick open. It's open.
Super quick.
Yeah, that was fast. Nice. This one's yours? Or Robert's? Nice. That's cool, man. That one's a Nibali's Morse with the Marcolo Comet handles that I put together myself. Yeah, it's cool. It's got a cool tune to it. Nice. Nice. That's cool. You can touch the blade, like the edge. Look at, feel this edge, man. Just feel the edge of this. Be real careful, but just feel it. Yeah, you feel me? It's flipper's edge. You know what I'm saying? Like, OMG, man. No. If you're playing around with knives, man, be really careful with this one. Yeah. Oh wow, that's yours. That's a nice one. Did you see the beat one with the squiddy haircut? Look at that one. See the difference of how beat it is? Whoa. I couldn't even get it in the frame. Whoa, nice. It's kind of, you just like swap it or whatever in your brain, you know? It kind of works. Nice. So cool. That's perfect.
You did it.
Nice. Whoa. A natural. You're natural.
It's be able to roll the quarter fingers up.
Can you charge like what drummers do? Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like when they twirl it.
Yeah,
I don't know how they do that.
yeah. Nice. That's cool.
Definitely my favorite thing on social media.
Very cool. Yeah, that one's from China, like manufactured or whatever. It's got like ball bearings for the weight. It's pretty cool.
This was such like a niche industry.
Yeah, those other ones are like straight up made by people that are made out of markers or
Oh yeah.
and like stuff like that.
I feel like I could use one of these to play with while I'm at work.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Oh, pull on the back of your hand. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I have a feeling you'll be able to learn the thumb around by the time you get up to. Whoa. Nice.
Oh, I'm gonna have to play baseball right-handed.
But you flip left-handed. Or right-handed.
I right left-handed.
Oh.
I flip right-handed.
Oh, cool.
I got box right-handed.
Nice. Goofy foot.
I'm goofy.
Yeah,
Super
yeah.
goofy.
I am too, man. For real. That's the new. It's the future. It's the new music.
Human. It's called human music.
Yeah.
Made by humans.
It's opposite.
When was the last time you had a faster detail? Too long.
Way too long.
The
Nice.
last one was the thing.
Plug it.
Yeah.
Plug your farm.
Oh yeah. I don't know if that's
Yeah, don't
really
plug.
the market.
Yeah, just plug the. Plug the AI shirt.
Ooh.
Nice. Yeah, you destroyed that one.
Alright, well, I guess we're just gonna open the store.
Oh my god. All right. I'll get all this stuff up. Thank you.